In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filter logic in Salesforce reports. Filter logic lets you control how multiple filters work together, so you can narrow your results with precision. Instead of relying on the default all filters must be true behavior, you can combine filters with and, or, and parentheses to match exactly what you want to see in your report. Start by heading to the Reports tab in Salesforce and open the report you want to adjust. Once the report is open, click Edit to enter the report builder. This puts you into the workspace where you can change columns, add filters, and update the logic that ties those filters together. Make sure you're editing a report you have permission to modify, so your changes can be applied right away. On the left side of the report builder, switch to the Filters tab. This panel shows every filter currently applied to your report, such as date ranges, owners, stages, or other field-based conditions. Each filter you see here will be part of the logic string you define in a moment. To add the filter logic control, look for the small caret icon next to the word Filters at the top of the panel. Click that caret to open the drop-down, then select Add Filter Logic. This reveals a text box where you'll define how your filters should work together. Salesforce automatically numbers your filters in the order they appear: 1, 2, 3, and so on. And you'll reference those numbers in the logic. Now, define your filter logic. Use the numbers of the filters combined with and, or, and parentheses. For example, you might type 1 and 2 or 3 to require that filter 1 is true, along with either filter 2 or filter 3. Use capital and or for clarity, and add parentheses to group-related conditions. Ensure the numbers match the filters you see on the panel. If you reference a number that doesn't exist, Salesforce will flag an error. Keep the logic simple and readable. Spacing doesn't affect the result, but it makes it easier to double-check your work. When your logic looks right, click Apply. The report preview refreshes to reflect your new logic immediately, so you can confirm the results align with your intent. If something looks off, revisit the logic box and verify the numbers and parentheses are correct. That's all it takes to add filter logic to a Salesforce report. By structuring your filters thoughtfully, you can turn a broad data set into focused, actionable insights in just a few clicks.